Welcome back to English class. Dear student, hope you all are safe and fine at your home. Today we are going to learn grammar. Okay, in the grammar we are going to learn about the articles. Okay, articles means what? Do you know? Articles, mainly there are three articles, a, and the. Okay, these are articles. So, I will tell you one example. Okay. So, what is this? Tell me. Yes, ice cream. So, when we are using this word ice cream, before that we are using an. So, this an is article. Okay. So, articles we are using before the noun. So, do you know what is the noun? What is meant by noun? I will explain you. First, we have to clear about noun. Okay. What is the noun? Noun is name of any person, okay, place or thing or animal. You can say that animal or thing. So, noun means what? Noun is a name of. It is a name of person, place, animal or thing. So, person means we can say that boy, or you can say that Ram. Ram is a person. Okay, so how we say? Okay, next, place. Place, in that we can say that Chikodi. Animal, cat or dog. And thing, that is your bat, ball, whatever it is. So, these all are noun. Even your name is also noun. My name is also noun. So, these all are noun. Okay. Name of the person, place, animal or thing is called as noun. So, articles are used before the noun. Okay. Where to use articles? These a and the. These articles used before the noun. Okay. So, now Ram. We can say that. Or a boy. A boy. Okay. A boy is a, what it is? Noun. Even you can say that. A cat. A dog. A pen. So, these all are noun. So, we are using article a before this noun. Okay. So, noun means what? Understood? Noun means name of person, place, animal or thing. So, these articles are using before these all nouns. Okay. Let's see here. Now, in article, there are two types of article. Mainly there are three articles. Okay. Three articles are there, but articles are two types. That is indefinite article and definite article. So, indefinite article comes, see, a and an are called as indefinite article. And here, the is called as definite article. Okay, a and an called as indefinite article and the is called as, or the is called as definite article. Now we have to see how to use these articles in the sentence or before the noun. How to use it. So, when using a and an, there is a rule. When using the also there is a rule. Okay, let's see. First we'll see a and an, where to use. I'll write here a and an. Okay, afterwards we'll see about the definite article. So a is used, okay, before the vowel sound nouns. Okay, a is used before the consonant sound words. Okay, see here, consonant sounds words, you know that vowel sounds. Which are the vowel sound? First we'll see the an. Okay, a and an. So a is used with the consonant sound word. Consonant sound words. So which are the consonants? You know that. Okay, B, C, D, F, G, H, J, K, L, M, N, P, Q, R, S, T, V, W, X, Y and Z. These all are consonant. You know that. And vowels. Which are the vowels? A, E, I, O and U. So these are the vowels. So an is used before the noun which are vowel sound. Okay. And a is used before the noun which are starts from consonant sound later. Okay. So let's see an. First we'll see use of a. Example I will write here. Okay. So a. See here. So what is that? Bat. So this is a bat. So before bat, see here, check here. Check the letter B-A-T. So it is, see here, consonant sound word. See, B start from B. So we have to use a before this noun. Next one, see, cat. So before that also we have to write, we have to use a. Even, pen. We have to use, see, P is there? Yes. So it is from consonant sound. It starts, this letter from consonant sound is there. So we have to use a before that noun. Got it? Then what? Rat. Okay, rat. For that also we are using a, because you can see here R is there. R is a consonant sound word. So for which words are starting from these all letters, from the consonant sound letters, we use a article. Okay, we use a article which are using from consonant sound. Okay, so now we have to see use of an article. An article when to use? When noun is start with vowel sound. So I already told you A, E, I, O, U are the vowel, and when noun is starts from the vowel sound, we use and before that noun. Now you tell me, what is this? What is this? Umbrella. Okay. So I will write here. So just see, read the spelling. U-M-B-R-E-L-L-A. Umbrella. So here this noun or this word is start with letter U. So what is U? What is U? Yes, U is vowel. So see, I will write once again here A, E, I, O and U. So U, just check here. U is a vowel. So we have to use, what we have to use? An umbrella. Got it? So, and when to use? When words starts with vowel sound, then we have to use an article. Now see here. What is this? Egg. So check here, read the spelling. E-G-G. So see here, E is from vowel. E is what it is? It is vowel. So we have to use an before the noun egg. Now owl is there. So now check once again whether O-W-L. O is what it is? It is vowel. So we have to use an before the owl. Got it? Next, one more example I will tell you. What it is? Very good. Apple. So apple is start with A letter. And what is this A? A is what? Vowel. So we have to use an before apple. So now we can say that an apple. Okay. Even one word we'll see. Ice cream we already saw. For ice cream also we are using an article. Okay. So this is all about an article and a article I told you. A article when to use? When word starts with consonant sound, we use a article. And when word starts with or noun starts with vowel sound, we use an article. Okay, so a and an, what they are? Indefinite article. Now we are going to see definite article. So here definite article, which is the definite article? The, okay, or the. So the when to use? When you want to write or it when it is noun is a specific word, that time we have to use the article. So see, let's example here. What is this? Star. So with the star we have to use the article, the star, because it is unique. Even what it is? Moon. So before this also we have to use the article. Star, moon, then our earth. Okay, suppose this is earth. So we have to use the before this noun. These all are nouns. Star, moon, earth, okay, sky, okay, sky also. What it is? Sky. So we use the before the noun, sky. Okay, got it? Even if you want to specify any particular animal, you have to use the animals, or the animal means particular animal. Okay, the butterfly. The butterflies you can say animals. Even what it is in your textbooks here. Example they given here. The rabbit. So when you want to show the unique identification, we use definite article the. Okay, hope you all understood. Here what they told, see here, we say an umbrella but a uniform. What we say for uniform word, what we are using? A. Why? I will explain you. See here. See here, for umbrella what we are using here? For umbrella word or umbrella noun what we are using? Before that we are using an. Yes, because U is vowel word or vowel sound. So here one more is there, word uniform. So this is also starting from U. Yes, this letter also vowel. So why we are not using N? Why we are using A? We should use A here because when we are pronouncing uniform, it will pronounce like Y, U. Okay, Y. So uniform is different and umbrella is different. Umbrella, we are pronouncing it and here U or Y. Uniform. So Y will come here. So we have to use here A, not N. Got it? Keep in the mind. Next on page number 19, we have some sentences we have to write proper. We have to complete it by using proper article. We'll solve here. First one. Here C section is there. In that, my uncle gave me book. Okay, my uncle gave me book. Now book is noun. Just see here, book is a noun. So just check the spelling. B. Okay, first letter B. Whether it is vowel or consonant sound. What it is? Yes, it is consonant sound. So what we have to use? A before the book. So my uncle gave me a book. So what we have to write? A. Second, there was dash orange in the basket. Okay, in the basket. So orange, just see this. Orange, it starts with O letter. So O is what? Whether it is consonant or vowel? Yes, it is vowel. So we have to use an before orange. Next one, see here. Sky is blue. I already told you sky is what it is. It is specific. Okay, it is unique. So we have to use the before the sky. So the sky is blue. Okay. Fourth one. I saw large house on my way. So here large L, what it is? L is consonant sound word. So we have to use A. And one more we'll see example. I will solve this 5, remaining 5, it is homework for you. You have to practice it. You have to try to solve it. She needs eraser. She needs eraser. So eraser, see the first letter, it is E. What it is? Vowel or consonant? Yes, it is vowel. So we have to use and before eraser. Okay, hope you all understood. Remaining 5, try to solve it. Okay, and send me pics. For next video, wait for that, and I will, if you have any doubt, okay, you can contact me. We'll meet in the next class. Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye-bye.